What is up, everyone? You know who it is. And
pray for us.
My special guest today, the one and only Xenofall.
Yeah.
That was his finger.
Oh yeah, that's mine.
You can't see anything. We're at the fair. We're at the fair right now with some other friends, and we're on the crazy train. If you haven't been on it,
it's really crazy.
Yeah,
it's really crazy.
Oh shit!
Oh God!
You can see. Oh my God!
Oh my God!
The viewers won't be able to see anything. Oh my God!
We're upside down.
The viewers won't know what the fuck is going on.
We survived.
Oh my God,
dude. Survivors tips. We survived.
Survivors tips 101: how to survive the crazy
here
train.
you go, guys. That's fun. Okay.
Right. Sorry to end the video short, and I hope you all enjoy.
Bye.
I hope you enjoy. Leave a comment and
subscribe. Yeah.
Hey, subscribe.
Yeah. Bye.
Let's keep this going on a little bit longer.
All right.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Jesus.
Oh man, that's my favorite ride.
It is, dude. He's I don't know where he's going. No, he didn't. He's just going over there to see them, I think.
If you want to go over there, you want to give him his hat, glasses?
Sure. What? Oh my God. Shit.
Shiny glasses.
I didn't know they were on it.
There he is. You good? Are you okay? You're limping.
No, I know.
Danny, catch.
I'm fine.
Shit. So, Mr. Xenofall, what are your thoughts on the crazy train?
It is really crazy. I hope to go again on it. It's really crazy and fun.
I rate it 10 out of 10.
Yeah, me too.
10 out of 10. Look at that.
10 out of 10.
Crazy train.
10 out of 10.
Crazy train. Crazy train.
All right, guys. Bye.
Okay.
See y'all guys later.
Xenofall's leaving, I guess. He's out. He's going back. He's going back to the mountains. Xenofall's going back to the mountains. Gotta get back to his wife and kids.
Yeah. My wife's and kids.
My wife and kids.
Alright guys, good YouTube videos, subscribe, like, favorite.
I'll leave a link to his channel in the description.
And
go subscribe to him.
Yeah.
He needs the subscribers. Alright guys, alright. Now that he's gone, oh well. Alright. So I know I haven't posted anything in a while, but I'm at the fair right now. Like I said before, I started screaming. Oh my God, I think I'm losing my voice right now. Oh Jesus, my voice is going away. But dude, look at this. Look at this. This is awesome. If you know where this is Santa Barbara, California. We're at the county fair at the Warren Showgrounds. And I'm here with a bunch of my friends. I was with Xenofall right now. Crazy stuff, fun stuff, 10 out of 10. I don't really have much to say, but I guess I hope you're all having fun this weekend. This is what, the 29th? I'll try to post it tonight. It probably won't be up until tomorrow, probably. Hopefully by tomorrow. I'll see what happens. Oh, my voice is going away because of all the screaming. I'm gonna end it here because my voice is just hurting right now. Trying to speak is just like killing me. Alright guys, I'll see you all in the next one. Wait, there I am, right there. I'll catch you on the next one. Next one will be a gaming video. I'll go back to normal. Maybe I'll have another guest, maybe Xenofall, someone else, you never know. I'm full of surprises. But again, hope you enjoy. Leave a like, drop a comment, and I'll catch you all in the next one. See ya!